Hey everybody, Sean Gavin with Tucker and Reach Higher Ground. Wanted to take a few minutes to introduce you to our new solar panel cleaning brush. This brush here is designed specifically for solar panel cleaning. It has much longer bristles than our normal brushes. They are flagged on the end to make it much softer, as well as get into lots of those nooks and crannies that the panels can have. The panels are not nearly as smooth as glass, so there's lots of spots where we need to have extra agitation. So where on glass this wouldn't be ideal because it's going to hold a little bit more dirt because of the flagged ends. This is going to do really well on solar, where we can get in all those nooks and crannies and agitate all those pores, if you will, on the panels itself. It's going to come with our XL rinse bar. So as you can see, it's installed across the top. This is your water inlet here. It's just a quick connect union fitting. Fits all of our 5/16 OD tubing or 8 mil for folks overseas. Simply push fit right in your feed line. Obviously this is a short version for example, but basically run that right down your Tucker pole, or many other brands will also accept this shaft on the gooseneck. So this is designed to fit our #1 clamp, but the same diameter will fit a number of other brands. And if you're curious if it fits yours, you can check on the website or give us a call. We're always happy to help. But most of the common brands in the U.S. being sold are using the same diameter for the #1 clamp. Has a swivel built in, so we have the swivel action if you're on a roof and you can't just get straight onto the panel and you need to go at an angle. You can swivel the angle side to side, so that's built in here. These are right around 1.7 pounds. So again, not necessarily the kind of weight you would want for a window cleaning brush because you're working above your head, but weighted quite a bit more so that you have a little more downward pressure when you're up on a roof and you're cleaning solar panels. So again, these are specifically designed bristles that we've been testing for solar panel cleaning. And the feedback has been really good so far on the bristles themselves. So these are now available at www.tuckerusa.com, as well as any of our worldwide distributors. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. Let us know if you have any questions.